Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever hopped on your scooter? Put it in gear, and nothing? Just a sad little groan instead of that glorious vroom? Yeah, we've all been there. Today, we're diving into why your scooter might be stalling when you put it in gear, and the best part. It's usually a super simple fix. So, grab your helmet, figuratively, unless you're actually on your scooter. And let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the usual suspects. When your scooter stalls as soon as you shift into gear, it's often a problem with the engine. Not getting enough gas, or getting too much air. Think of it like this: your engine needs the perfect mix of fuel and air to run smoothly. Too much of one, or not enough of the other, and you've got a problem. Let's look at the most common culprits. The carburetor or fuel injector. This is the heart of your scooter's fuel system. If your scooter has a carburetor, older models, it might be clogged. Dirt and debris can restrict fuel flow. If fuel injected newer models, it's a bit more complex. But a clogged injector can have the same effect. The solution? Cleaning or replacing the carburetor or fuel injector. The fuel filter, this little guy, stops dirt from entering your fuel system. If it's clogged, it restricts fuel flow, leading to stalling. This is an easy fix. Simply locate the fuel filter, usually near the fuel tank or carburetor, and replace it. Vacuum leaks. A vacuum leak means extra air is getting into the engine, throwing off that perfect fuel-air mixture. Check all the vacuum hoses for cracks or loose connections. Replace the hose if you find a leak. The spark plug ignites the fuel-air mixture. If it's old, fouled, or damaged, it might not be strong enough. A weak spark can cause stalling. Inspect and replace if needed. Idle speed. Sometimes, the idle speed is set too low. If it's too low, the engine might stall when you put it in gear. Most scooters have an idle adjustment screw. Find it, and turn it up a bit. Troubleshooting steps. Okay, so you've got a stalling scooter. Here's a quick checklist. Check the fuel. Make sure you have enough fuel. Inspect the fuel filter. Is it clean? Check for vacuum leaks. Inspect the spark plug. Adjust the idle speed. Important safety tips: turn off your scooter and remove the key before working on it. Always wear safety glasses and gloves. So, those are some of the most common reasons why your scooter might stall, and how to fix them. Remember, every scooter is different. If you're not comfortable working on your scooter, take it to a mechanic. Hopefully, this helps you get back on the road. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.